All right, in this problem, we're going to use the quadratic formula to solve the equation 2x squared plus 8x plus 5 equals 0. The quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of the discriminant b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And that's for quadratics of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So first off, we want to identify a, b, and c. So a is 2, b is 8, and c is 5. And now we can substitute them into our quadratic formula. So we can say x equals negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 8 squared minus 4 times 2 times 5 all over 2 times a, so 2 times 2. And we can work this out. So we can say x equals negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 8 squared is 64 minus 4 times 2 is 8 times 5 is 40. And that's all over 2 times 2, so 4. If we continue to work this out, we get negative 8 plus or minus 64 minus 40 is 24, all over 4. Now, we want to break apart the square root of 24 and simplify it a bit. So I would do square root of 4 times square root of 6. Square root of 6 is not a perfect square. We can't really simplify that. But square root of 4, that's going to be 2, and then we have the square root of 6. So 2 times the square root of 6. So this is going to equal negative 8 plus or minus 2 times the square root of 6 all over 4. And we can simplify that a bit. If we break apart our two solutions, we got x equals negative 8 minus 2 times the square root of 6. And we're going to write this over 4 here and this over 4 here. Negative 8 divided by 4 is negative 2. And then here, this would simplify to minus 1/2 square root of 6. So minus square root of 6 over 2. And then this one, x equals negative 8 over 4 plus 2 square roots of 6 over 4. That's going to simplify to negative 2 plus the square root of 6 over 2. If you did want to keep everything over 2, you could write, well then, yeah, you're probably better simplifying it this way. Anyways, those are the two solutions, and this one's good to go.